Hey guys, this is going to be a quick review of the first generation Lamborghini Gallardo in white. The Lamborghini Gallardo is a super sport car built by Lamborghini. The first generation Gallardo is equipped with a 5-liter DOHC SMPI 4-valve aluminum 10-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, with limited slip front and rear differential, variable valve timing, and an advanced 6-speed electro-hydraulically controlled semi-automatic robotized manual, which Lamborghini abbreviates as E-gear. The E-gears allow the driver to shift much faster than they could with a manual transmission. The driver shifts up and down via a paddle shifter behind the steering wheel, but can also change to an automatic mode. The Gallardo is pushing out 526 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in the fast 4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 196 miles per hour in the US. Very impressive. Now let's talk a little bit about the exterior. The Lamborghini body offers many lines and cuts, with its bold and muscular design, makes the Lamborghini one of the world's most exotic super sports car today. Up front, you see a pair of high-intensity discharge HID headlights. Turn signal lights are also integrated into the headlights. The aerodynamic front bumper with front air dams to direct air for better performance. Also comes with variable intermittent windshield wipers. Cornering lights are also integrated into the front bumper. This particular model comes with 19-inch alloy wheels with 235/35 tires in front and 295/30 in the rear. Behind the wheel is the set of power 4-wheel Brembo disc brake with 8 piston front brake calipers painted in silver with Lamborghini lettering on it for faster stopping, and 4 piston brake caliper for the rear. Also feature anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distributions. The Lamborghini Gallardo also features folded body color side view mirror with heated options. Now let's turn on the engine and see how it sounds. Okay, it's time to check out the interior. The interior features black and beige leather interior with diamond stitching on the seats, as well as the door panels. There's the silver Gallardo aluminum door sill, and a closer look at the driver's side door panel with diamond stitching on it as well. Both front seats feature multi-adjustable power seats. Very nice front bucket seats, look very sporty. Okay, now let's jump into the driver's seat and see how it feels. Okay, let's talk about the steering wheel first. The 3-spoke flat bottom design steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with aluminum trims at the bottom as well as the center of the wheel. Looks simple, but offer a real racy inspired look when sitting in the driver's seat. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. It is very low sitting in the driver's seat. Does have the feeling of sitting in a super sports car. Feels really comfortable as well. There you have the large multimedia screen as well as the navigation system. Very nice interior. Glove box compartment. Some of the interior features are power windows and door lock, dual zone climate controlled, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo with CD MP3 changer, in-glass antenna, a navigation system, and the rear backup cameras, as well as many other features. The Lamborghini Gallardo interior does kinda look like the Audi interior. Diamond stitching on the roof to match with the seats and the door panel. Overall, the Gallardo is equipped with plenty of properly fitting leather and soft touch materials. Even though it is an exotic car, sitting is very comfortable enough to take the Lamborghini on a long road trip. Alright, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the Lamborghini Gallardo. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know how you guys like it. Also, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. I'll see you guys next time.